Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, or share.
Mara bro, they are raw, bro. So, the topical issues now at the the right Maracas.
Beside topic, how they interject, how they flow, how they do things. Come on, that's what matters. Those guys are dangerous together. The Tico na Shandu.
It's pitbull.
Na pitbull. Tu kama pitbull is the crossbreed wow. Na ngwaya like.
That was the pitbull. Original pitbulls. So mara
ndipanikitakana
the way ne Shandu na Tico bangayo. Ndipanga watu vane uri baita solution itakaze. Ni bahashi for show yonke ilani
etunze.
Asizote zwena funa utendela nakhazo ngopfesisa.
Nomfuna mina ngatheri. That's a morning drive. We need to have views. That's a views show.
Ndiri ukufuna bana utenda nonanedza na mumwe. Ngori ndisina rina batshikisira bazone zawududi.
Ukuthi yobona zwithu zo entertain. Ayethe. Lezi nomzora chimwe team yo winner. Ni wana achiwa nga ufavor imwe team.
Ngonda pesa.
And it's not fair.
Kama ngota fair. Wasala khobengwa nga bathethelisi ngathanda uri mina. Ukojasiya. Ngori NFF Chiefs zikomba zuri batwa Chiefs ndibone bane le duva badakona uri baba na mina namkhove kha show yawe.
Nethi ngotiniro wamba suzingi zwinji. Ine mama hunguni. You know me very well. Rest in peace Costa Tish. Rest in peace aka Marandava ndiene yoyori. If ravori va imbi vosa nyimbo za radio na vana compile sa lidzi nyimbo zawo ni fedza ningo venga nyi muhashi
no
and na uri muhashi ku chipinga hana nyimbo dzo tamba za proper producer hana nyimbo za radio dzo tamba hana muthu mu backup ko amba unaona uri mini hana nyimbo za radio dzo tamba hana muhashi mu backup ko amba
ana story
vaya vanijera mumwe muthu wa radio wa TV ni adaso kuvhara avela
is scripted ngelandire no worry we have to say cut and do it again and radio ni yabe awunofi ndichitu chine tamsi is pre-recorded. It's not a pre-recorded, it's live.
I've been in the industry for long enough to understand a lot of things, not to know but to understand. And I think this is the first time to come so bunjazo because ndina maduna watu yaba ma detective omuno ombiyera madiasione this guy era madiasione
awuna madiasione na madiasione ne waona hono so
narmadi onofane cup